Pisces, my water babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace, healing, abundance, and prosperity all your way. Bad health is big business. I'm here to put them out of business. Head swelling, PTSD, stroke, anxiety, depression, physical ailments, mental illness is at an all-time high. Plaguing us at an age of an all-time low. So I'm here to heal that. I love you and I miss you. Pisces, your word of the day is balance. I need you to balance out. I really need you to be, for my Pisces, I know that you're physically up to, you don't shy away from any physical activity. You're always willing to study. You put in the work. But I want you to make sure that you're balancing mind, body, and spirit. So I need you to be in prayer, meditation, going out into the elements, however you communicate with Lord, God, Spirit, Universe, Source, Strength, Jesus Christ, however you find your connection, even for meditation, prayer, or as I said, going out into the elements. I need you to spend more time with yourself. Because right now, you're actually going to transition into one of the hugest spots of teaching, being able to be able to heal the rest of the world. But what we need you to do is get all the downloads. There's a message within the balance. So I need you guys, as you work out, take your daily walk, I need you to eat right, treat right, making sure you're getting enough sleep, make sure that you're reading the things of your interest that you're being led to right now. So you're working your brain, your mind, your body, and then also tap into that spiritual realm and communication. Because as great as you are, one of the greatest healers, one of the greatest shamans or intellects or helpers within this world, we all still need to understand that we still need to ask for help and direction. Because there's still one that is more intellectual, that we co-create with, that we need to be able to be humble enough to ask for help and direction. So I find balance between each sphere of my life, mind, body, and spirit. Understand those things. Let's read, let's work out, eat right, treat right, and let's make sure we have a prayer meditation going out to the elements type life, getting all the positive energies, the sun, the air, make sure we get in all to the elements. I am the master of my daily life. Positive frequency only can bring positive blessings, just like a magnet. These are the rules of the universe. So if you want to have some more trials, tribulations, and lessons, which you don't have to, you don't need to, because you come too far to have to go back and relearn any lessons. You guys have excelled and learned so many lessons. You're ready for the next step. You're ready to be blessed. You're ready for a great time. You're ready for your breakthrough season. So with negative resentment, anger, or anything like unforgiveness, that's saying like, I need another trip around. I need to learn some more lessons on how to let go, how to stay positive, even for those that don't have the best intent for me. Or since I know that you're ready to manifest and go to the next level, you lead with love, prosperity, grace, and there's no anger within your frequency, only love. There's no message, there's no weapon that can ever be a formidable opponent against love. As long as you lead with love, your biggest adversary will be confused. They don't even know how to attack you. They'll end up helping you, making sure that they lift you up to the next level. I make time to nourish my spiritual and physical. I bring love to my world by fulfilling the needs of my body and soul. Make sure when you have all the things that you need, all the things that's coming into your life, you eat right, treat right. What does it benefit you to have your worlds and your wildest desires, and you can't enjoy it due to mental illness or physical illness? Take care of your mind, body, and spirit. And remember, love one another. Be kind to one another. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. This page has been a blessing to you. I love you.